name's Dan. Started farming by doing custom hay work. Started in 1978, so that would have been the first year that I bought my first baler, and I think I bought the first tractor a year after that. And then progressed into running more acres, and Travis came on board approximately 2009.
I'll be the 5th generation. Started farming full-time in February of 2009 with my dad, and we currently farm about 2,200 acres of corn and beans, and we got about a little over 100 head of cows. Today we're out harvesting. It's our last field for the year, and picking corn, putting it in the bin.